Yeah.
Yo, we are back on our SB19 journey. This is the second episode of What the Making Film. So we're going to check this out. Let's get into it.
It was dope to learn a little bit more about them, though, that, that they do so much their own writing, that one homie takes all the control. You know what I mean? Pablo.
Pablo, and he does the beats too and everything else. So let's get into it and see what's next.
Nagsimula no pero wala na akong balak na tapusin. Di ibig sabihin pag di tinapos ako'y hinto na rin. Alam ko naman na di ako pinakaano magaling. Got no best with all of you please. Destinies will be better in. Lahat ng aking basura pupulutin natin nila. Kahit saan pa ako mapunta, labat sa lupa aking mga ba.
6, 7, and boom, 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 boom. Lick up 7, and let go. Tapos, deep mo lang. Go deep. Saka 7, and deep. Go deep. Hirap, kick. Tak, 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 deep.
Actually, for Watawat, pinakinggan ko lang siya ng pinakinggan and then kinain ko yung lyrics, parang ganun. Dinamdam ko yung lyrics kung ano talaga yung sinasabi ng lyrics, kung ano yung atake, kung ano yung gusto niya iparating sa mga nakikinig, sa mga makakarinig, ganun. Siguro ang masasabi ko lang, naisip ko siya ng mga panahon na talagang pinakinggan ko lang siya ng pinakinggan, tapos inisip ko kung sino dapat yung ipakita ng SB19 para sa comeback nito. Siguro yung choreo, more on more on feelings, kung sino kami and kung ano yung gustong i-deliver ng lyrics and ng song. May tatry po akong buuhin. Lagyan lang natin sa bita.
Gusto ko sana mangyari doon. Parating dadalawa na mga close talaga lang sa mga bilang. Boom! Tapos balik. Doon. Pag-sipa na sa akin ng buka kasi dami kami naman anong ba gusto ko tagalan dito yung moment na ito? Okay na to. Okay na yan. Hindi lang naman yan eh. Ang ganda sa yan eh, pag alam mo yung may dalawa ko sa iyo. Paano kayo? 1, 2, 3. Ano kaya? Parang pentagon. Pentagon na o triangle. Tara, 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 tara.
Marami lang.
Tara, tara.
Pwede ba itong acoustic na lang? Tapos biglang pasok ng lunch break. Ganda nakatawa natin lahat. Ganda, nasa tibok ko. Isang tibok kayo. Oh! Ito pinakamakis na lang natin na ng lunch break. Parang...
Parang lalagnatin, ganun lang.
Pero yung day ko na yan, overcoming na rin kasi yun eh.
Hindi ko nasa mag-start. Nasa tapos.
Feeling ko kaya ko pa, pero yung...
Had those days being sick and having to keep going.
Kumbaga hindi ka basta bumanat ng talaga nag-work smart ka dun sa pakiramdam na yun eh. Kasi nilaro niya eh. Hindi siya yung parang, ay sige ba? Tama yun. Kasi mature yung dating mo eh. Na ano mo siya eh, na... Parang valley peak.
I was
valley,
curious
peak
if they did their
valley.
own
Hindi mo siya-
choreography
walang
though,
ganun
but-
moment. Kasi gets ko yung kunyari si Josh. Bro, may mga times talaga na
Well, he's doing it all with this dude, so it's like they're doing everything.
Talaga na sobrang umina. Ganun ka din. Siguro dahil memorize niya ng sobra, tapos karamihan, system talaga yun ng choreo. Yun yung kailangan natin.
Wow.
Extra effort talaga tayo, men, na alamin kung paano talaga yung nararamdaman yung style na yun. Kasi, yun yung standard, for sure. Doon na tayo magbe-base.
How old are they again?
Masel.
Hindi yung ano, parang sobrang daming tao na...
Oh, some of them still 30.
Hindi lang ako sumasayaw.
I didn't even know that.
Parang yung feeling eh, parang ako lang yung sumasayaw. Kasama ko
Youngest
lahat.
one's 27.
So parang ano siya, parang ka nasa dome, tapos parang lahat sila alam nila yung song yun.
Yung salita pag nagpipigil ng iyak.
Yun, para sa lang para lang ma-feel pa rin namin kung saan yung
Feeling ko kasi lagi parang hindi ko kaya gawin yung
hindi ko kaya si pull off.
parang ano ko kasi yung limit ko lang, parang ganun. Tapos parang before ko pabukuhin, parang ang dami ko lang. Parang nagkaroon kasi ako ng time before na parang nawalan ako ng gana. Parang ganun. Tapos parang ano lang, parang hinihintay ko lang yung parang sign para bumitaw na ganun. Dati. Tapos, nung narinig ko yung song, gusto ko siyang gawin. Pero parang ano, 60-40, parang 40% gusto ko siyang gawin, pero 60 ayaw na. Parang tapos, nung ano, tapos parang, paano ba yun? Bago ko siya buhay, parang ayaw na talaga, nakapag-decide na ako na parang hanap na lang talaga kami ng euphoria na parang tulong sa amin. Tapos, parang sila nagsabi sa akin na parang, ano, gawin ko. Kasi nga, ayun, tiwala ka doon sila sa akin.
So may pressure ka rin, no?
Tapos nung narinig ko yung ano, yung sinabi ni Seth, yung meaning ng song, parang ano, kailangan parang maging proud. Kahit hindi ko yung pinakamagalit. Pero dapat maging proud kasi kung ano meron ka. Doon ako lalo nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob para gawin yung parang may silbi pala talaga ako, parang gano'n. Kasi yun nga, nga yung totoo meaning ng song. Kahit hindi ikaw yung pinakamagaling, basta magtiwala lang sa skills mo, kaya kong gawin. Paano makakapagbigay ka? Yun lang yung na-feel ko kanina habang pinapakinggan. Kasi sobrang nawalan talaga ako ng gana sa sarili ko dati. Tapos inalawinan ko siya ang gawin ko pa yung kaya ko. Ayun lang. Sorry.
Totoo. Meron talagang magdadap ko talaga sa sarili. Pero kasi pag hindi ka naniniwala na hindi ka magiging great or hindi ka magiging magaling, hindi ka talaga magiging magaling. Hindi ka mamotivate sa pagiging mo kung isip mo na ganun pa rin.
Para bang naisip mo na hindi ka deserving, bro? Ganyan.
Totoo lang sinabi ni Stella na dati nung nagdadaw siya, parang nafe-feel niya na nahihirapan siya gumawa ng porno. Feeling ko dahil din yun sa pressure sa paligid, sa mga tao sa paligid niya na parang nafe-feel niya siguro kahit hindi yun yung pinapafeel sa kanya, nafe-feel niya na hindi ka ganun kagaling, hindi ka naman professional. Pero since nga parang sinabihan siya sa Jun about na hindi mo naman kailangan maging magaling, parang hindi mo naman kailangan maging pinakamagaling. Kailangan mo maging proud sa sarili mo na may nagagawa ka, may nagpo-produce ka, may something ka na nagagawa na hindi mo kailangan isipin yung ibang tao kung ano yung tingin nila sa'yo. Although makakatulong yun, pero hindi mo kailangan magpa-apekto ng malaki. Parang gano'n.
Pero ito yung parang kailan ako yung tanong ko ano, pagka kayo, masakit na kayo.
Yung rehearsal, sobrang iba. Sobrang iba yung, paano ba? Sobrang iba yung feeling ngayon kasi alam namin na may nag-hype sa amin. Kumbaga, mas naintindihan namin ngayon yung other side ng dance. Kasi ang alam lang namin is kailangan gawin namin yung dance, gawin namin yung step, pero mas na-explain sa amin ngayon na parang hindi lang pala dapat namin pinapakita yung dance, more on in-express namin yung sarili namin, kung paano namin naiintindihan yung song. Kaya sobrang iba. Tsaka mas na-feel ko na nag-grow kami as a performer during practice. Tsaka sobrang tagal na rin talaga namin gumawa ng ganitong klaseng pyesa. Kaya sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam.
Pare-parehas lang tayo may pagkakaiba, diba? Ika nila, ibang mundo nakikita niya. Mabuting iba, di gaya nila. Pikit ang mata, ang tama wala. Ha? 20-20, paulit-ulit, intelihente. Subalit punit, masagang lete. Punit-punit, pinubugan talaga makansirit. Lahat ng aking basura, pupulutin natin nila. Kahit saan pa ako mapunta, labat sa lupa akin, alam mo na. Maniwala darating ang mga biyaya, higit pa sa lahat-lahat ng nawala. Ang sako na dito inindan, titigil hanggang sa wakas. What? Para iangat ang bandera. Para nasa puso nyo na ata tama. Ama, sala, matatik ko ang agiman. Bawal, bana, ibagay mo watawar. Di na magpapa, awat, iwawag kay bayang watawar. Bana, para iangat ang bandera.
It's crazy to see, like, how I don't know.
Put
It's
talent above everything. You know what I mean? Like they put their skill and talent above the glitz, the glam. It's like this. Is
now I kind of get it when people said it lacked the egotistical side, which is weird to kind of see because I feel like part of it is an egotistical side, but then to see it from the part that doesn't have it, it looks way different. You know what I'm saying? Like with music artists, it's almost like if you can control it, that's what the problem is. Is like, can you control the egotistical side? But at that point, like
Michael Jackson did it very well. Like he was very controlled ego. I think it was like he wanted to be the best in the world. He believed it and embodied it, but he wasn't like outwardly like some people might be. You know what I mean? I think I don't know.
Yeah, he did, because it's kind of like, but if someone like in those rooms asked him, he would have told you he was the best in the world.
Yeah.
But it's just kind of like, it's one of those things, like that's why I feel like the ego, it's crazy to see it from their angle, because I don't know if it's like a cultural thing or something like that they don't have the ego tied to that, because they kind of seem like they're just very like overly humble. You know what I'm saying? Like to the point where it's like they're questioning themselves, which I get why they say some of the things they say in their songs now, because it's like it is really like to where you go like, I'm really trying to make it. But then they really kind of they're popping. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, what do they see? Like, what do they see as far as like, because I just looked up, they're not on a deal, they're on a distribution deal. They're on their own label, and then they're only distributed through Sony.
I think it's some kind of cultural difference in a sense of like, because if it was America, you know,
These dudes would be lit. You know what I'm saying? They'd be talking crazy. You know what I'm saying? So it's
then
just
they're
like,
like the challenges they have moving around countries and moving to scenarios. You know what I mean? It's like, I think the Pablo guy is probably the one who's like, you got to believe this, you got to do this, and everyone else is.
he's the
like,
CEO of
Yeah.
the label.
and somebody's. And I mean, he's 31 actually, and I was like, wow, I thought actually they were a lot younger. So,
They've been grinding probably. You know what I'm saying? Like,
it's hard to get people to believe in themselves. You know what I mean? At that scale, even when you see it, because it doesn't seem like they. Well, I don't know at all, but it doesn't seem like they indulge in the lifestyle.
Yeah.
So if you're not around a ton of people who are like completely feeding your ego every second, you might only see these big crowds, and then you're back to the dancing, and it's like no one knows your struggle.
yeah.
And some
Let's keep
people
this
won't
going.
cry. Yeah, let's go.
Like, comment, subscribe.